Yeah, DC's League of Super Pets this time around. This is a lot of fun. I apologise for the camera keep going out of focus. I will remedy that for next time. But I hope you can enjoy the video anyway. This is genuinely one of the most anticipated superhero films in a long while. So whenever you're watching this, it will be May 2022 when this is coming out. So it's imminent at time of recording. Now you can see there I've already sketched out the Superman dog, Krypto as he is known, and I'm busy on the Batman side too. In case you are not familiar with this movie, here's the storyline. When Justice League are captured by Lex Luthor, Superman's dog Krypto forms a team of shelter pets who are given superpowers. A hound named Ace, who becomes super strong. A pig named PB, who can grow to giant size. A turtle named Merton, who becomes super fast. And a squirrel named Chip, who gains electric powers. Sounds ace, doesn't it? So whizzing through the inking stage now, just following the lines I've done already at the pencil stage. Krypto's looking pretty decent now, almost there. I'm having a little trouble with his S, but we can remedy that. Doing the outline on Ace, it's his eyebrows that really make it, I think. It's really quite clever because it looks a bit like a Batman sort of outfit, but in dog form. It's really strange, but it works very well. They've been very clever with the design of these, because you can see that that's Superman and the dog as well. So I think that's pretty much the outlines done. We just need to move on to a bit of colour, I think. These are really a lot of fun. If you want me to do any more characters from this movie or anything similar, then please do let me know, because I had a really good time drawing these. They're a lot of expression and fun in these sort of characters. So yeah, I'd really like to do more. So please do leave me a comment and let me know who you'd like to see me do next. So I haven't seen the movie as of the time of recording now, but I'm so excited. It's got an all-star cast. We've got Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, we've got Kevin Hart, we've got Diego Luna, we've got John Krasinski, with Mark Maron. There they are, Krypto and Ace, and I'm really happy with these. I think they look a lot of fun. Look at Ace's face, he's so funny. Brilliant. Let me know if you want me to do any more of these, and I'll see you next time.